Okay, so we have come to module 5. We are just about to start building our own games. But before we do that, we need to talk about 3 really key building blocks. These are going to be tools for us to use when we're building our games. The first is conditionals or conditional statements, and this allows your code to make decisions. Then we have for loops. For loops allow your code to repeat things a number of times. Really useful so you don't have to write a lot of lines of code. And then finally we have event handlers. Event handlers are like the buttons that one would press to make a game work or make an app do something. There are a lot of uses for event handlers, and we're going to get into them. So let's go ahead, dive into the next few activities, and get coding.